Put them down so we can see the difference. Totally normal, active, meow, meow, meow.
When do you want me to pick them up?
Now. No. Oh, poor Gutter.
It doesn't do anything. You can touch all over it. It's just like, hi.
Just sit back down. I want to try. So mean, but he probably feels like we're really moms. Are you ready, Gutter? Hold on. I'm not used to this. Aww.
Doesn't it feel like you're just holding a doll?
I'm sorry. I know. Say hey to the camera. You're so good at it.